The story of the ghost that killed a young man in sub-Saharan Africa have been causing pandemonium in the area. People were trooping in their numbers to see the evidence that he was actually killed by a ghost. Before you continue watching this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more true African stories from verifiable source. Ebuka, a young man of 18, lives in an isolated bungalow with his uncle and two sisters, Amaka and Chioma. The uncle seems to be blind.
Cousin, is that you?
Amaka is spiritually conscious.
Bury me.
While Chioma is a social media addict who loves to be alone and doesn't interfere in the happenings around her. One day, Amaka fell into a deep sleep. Suddenly, the atmosphere becomes tensed, and Ebuka was seen lying unconsciously on the ground, while the blind uncle was seen coming to help him. But unfortunately, the young man died before proper help could reach him. Autopsy and an eyewitness revealed the real cause of his death, as his spirit kept causing disturbances in the neighborhood. But the priest of the land disagreed with the report, stating that the autopsy and the eyewitness reports were concocted to cover up the real cause of Ebuka's death, and that is why his spirit is so restless. Amaka began to notice some unusual disturbances. She resolves to using the Bible as a shield.
Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me.
Hello, Cassie. Hello, Cassie. Hello, Cassie.
Thy rod and thy staff,
One day, Chioma noticed a strange event in the sitting room. As a bread on the dining table began to move and falls on the floor. She didn't take it serious because her mind was fixed on her phone. The spirit of Ebuka began to disturb Amaka because she is spiritually conscious. One day, strange noises were heard and great fear envelops her.
bury me. Bury Bury, bury me, bury, bury.
And she falls uncontrollably to the ground. Time passed, and everything seems to become normal.
Exactly the kind of thing we are being served during the Echo War.
Excuse me. What exactly do you mean? Is it that the thief is too watery or what?
You're being too harsh on him. He's a blind man.
Please. You both can go ahead and enjoy the meal. I'm leaving before you two people realize strange people.
Is she here?
She just left.
As I was saying, a passenger was saved by grace.
Grace? Who is Grace?
The grace of God.
One day, Amaka was opting to go out. As she gets to the dressing mirror for a quick facial makeup, the spirit of Ebuka appears in place of her image. She screamed to the top of her voice and falls to the ground.